Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of symbols that most people misunderstand, and sometimes even fear. Let's explore the true meanings of three famous symbols: the pentagram, the swastika, and the yin-yang. Let's start with the pentagram. When people see this five-pointed star, they often think of dark rituals or satanic practices. Movies and TV shows have built this image for years. But in reality, the pentagram has a much older and positive meaning. In ancient Greece and medieval times, it symbolized the five elements: earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. It represented the harmony of nature and the balance of the human being within the universe. In Christianity, it was even used as a symbol of Christ's 5 wounds. Far from being evil, the pentagram was originally a sign of protection and unity. Now the swastika. Because of its use by the Nazis in the 20th century, this symbol is now strongly associated with hatred and destruction in the West. But its origins go back thousands of years. The swastika was a sacred symbol in ancient India, China, and Central Asia. It represented the sun, prosperity, and the cycle of life. In Hinduism and Buddhism, it is still seen as a symbol of good fortune and sacred power. Sadly, history gave it a dark reputation, but its true meaning is much brighter. And finally, the yin-yang, that black and white circle we've all seen. Many think it only represents the fight between good and evil. But in Chinese philosophy, yin-yang is about something deeper. It shows that opposites do not fight. They complete each other. Night and day, feminine and masculine, cold and hot. Life is built on balance. Yin-yang reminds us that nothing is absolute, and everything carries a piece of its opposite within. As you can see, these three symbols have been misunderstood over time. But their true meanings reveal powerful messages about balance, harmony, and human history. Which of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Symbol of Atlas for more journeys into the mysterious world of symbols.